Pandas. 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 Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining. Good morning, everybody. Hope you're doing well. I hope you are doing well. Shoot for the stars. Good morning, my pandas. Market's about to open in about 6 minutes, and we're in a trade here. Pandas! I'm about my money. Thanks for joining. Streaming every single day live here, Monday through Friday. 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Trading a Nascraq right now. 500 tech chart. Okay. Trap triggers. Fails. Interesting. So I only went with one. You can try one more time. Good morning, everyone. Bill 7, good morning. Scalp that like button. Hey, pandas, we still haven't hit our 100 like goal yet for the $100 giveaway. Bub Sox, good morning. Bill 7 holding through open? Yes, sir. Benali asks, hey, bye-bye. Is 80% off Apex for the life of the account? Will rebuild at the discount? Yes. That's for the eval. Life of the eval, 80% off. Whew. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know if I want to hold this anymore. Trap triggers on the 2500 tick. Probably looking for a new low now. Oof. I'm gonna try to come out break even if I can, but if I can't, then I'm just gonna get hit here. This is the second entry long on the 2500 tick chart. A, B, C, but lots of overlap. It's probably best to buy down here, but some sort of trend line like this. Probably best to buy down here. I'll take the hit just in case it does flush down, and then I'll take, I'll take the long again if it's a good, there's a good setup there. It's a shame. That is a darn shame right there, Pandas. It's all good. Oh yeah. Nothing like a little loser in the beginning just to warm up a little bit here, Pandas. Taking a second entry long on the 2500 tick chart. Ends up trapping. See how far this trap goes. Market's about to open 30 seconds. Market just opened. Trap about to trigger here. I'm thinking maybe overshoot to an undershoot here, but we shall see. Yes, I got your long triggers. One, two, three. Could be a wedge here, some sort. Creating a second entry short here. Decent push up. Creating a descending wedge like this. Bounces off the descending wedge. Yeah, I guess I'll try. I don't love it, but I'll try. I don't love it, but I'm gonna try here. Might get punished. Jeez, alright. Trap fails. Right, within the descending wedge, should have waited to breaking out of the descending wedge before taking a trade here. Ouch. How much threshold we have? Plenty of threshold. Trap triggers, outside bar reversal. Coming back to the bottom of the channel here. Bottom of the channel here, as you can see. Coming back up. Big push up. Limit order market currently. Limit orders here, limit orders down here. We're sort of breaking out now. I didn't think it was gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4 hits on the bottom. Typically 3 hits, but 4 hits, all right. High or low here, maybe. it does trigger. Of course, looking for the fail second entry short. Right. This one fails here. This one fails here. Third time's a charm. Third time's a charm. In this trade. The third time's a charm or third time's a curse, pandas. Which one is it? Let's go for 2 to 1. Let's get 2 to 1. We got hurt too many times on that. These attempts up. We got to get a big one here. The trap does fail, and it looks like a limit order market, so we might be getting chopped up here. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7 overlapping bars in a row. High or low here, but still very choppy. Gonna wait for it to play out. First candle finishes on the 5-minute chart. Looks indecisive, looks confused. I don't know if I really want to extend my stop loss here. This could stop loss hunt me here. I don't mind. That's what it is. Just chilling. Bill says, Panda, I have an NQ chart open for NQ and MNQ. There are differences. The MNQ chart had a few green candles, whereas the NQ only had 5 red candles in a row. Well, they're different. They're completely different instruments. They're completely different instruments, but the MNQ is basically, I don't know if it's even a derivative of the NQ. I think it is more arbitraged to be balanced, but let's try again here. Another opportunity to break out. I don't want on the outside bar reversal. All right, outside bar reversal, skipping it. It just means more chop. If you, especially if you're doing a tick chart, they're gonna be pretty different. If you do it like on a time chart, they're probably more or less similar. But on a tick chart, they're gonna be completely different if you're using the same ticks, right? Because they're different instruments. The ticks get calculated differently, very differently. Okay, pushing up now. I wanted that 1 to 2 because we got hurt so many times here. We gotta see if we can get a big one here. All right, we lost 1 to 1s in all these. Yikes. It's not looking good. Very interesting day today. Almost fills the gap, but doesn't quite get there. This might be a downtrend. Might be a downtrend day today. Possibly. Darn. It is what it is. I tried. I mean, you gotta get at least a 1 to 1 on this kind of trade. Big pain, big pain. What is this? What's this big pain coming from today? Outside bar, the 5 minutes, just absolutely diabolical. Inside outside bar, just mass confusion right now. Had this wedge coming down, tries to break out, and then continues downwards. I don't know. Limit order trading today, maybe. Stop trying to trade for that breakout. 3 times it tries to reverse up, and I took all 3 times. They all failed. All 3 times failed. What can you do about that, pandas? I mean, you're trying to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. I don't know. Coming back up. I mean, it's just limit order market right now. It's a limit order market. One more try. Fail second entry short on this new low. Breakout new low. Sure. Why not? One more try here. Micro double bottom. Is that good enough for me? Is that good enough for me? Micro triple bottom. All right, we got the extra setup here. Has the market decided to go down, to go short? Interesting. Okay. I could try. Try something cheeky here. Let's see if we play nice with this channel here. Almost get filled. Didn't quite get there. Almost get filled. When it comes all the way back to the top, it's just missed opportunity. What can you do? I tried. Missed it by a couple ticks. My entry. It's all good. I tried. Big push up. I mean, I could. I mean, we've been in this channel like perfectly. I could try. I could try to do something cheeky here. I mean, we got to the bottom, back to the top. I tried to buy down here, but look, it didn't quite hit the bottom of the channel where I wanted it to. So, yeah, it is what it is. High or low, triggering here. I mean, look at the market. The 5-minute chart is it's just completely barcoding. 2500 tick chart similar. Look at this nasty price action. I could try to go short here. I could try. I'll try with one. Fine. I'll go long. Whatever. I will go long here. It's a dumb trade, but dumb I am. In this trade, Let's get a winner. Let's just get a winner today. Just need one win today. Just to get back into the right direction here, pandas. Just get one winner, yeah? I mean, this breaks out. We gotta really break out here. I guess. Just have a runner here. Playing it really safe here. Just trying to get a one-to-one. If we can't get a one-to-one here, I feel like this is going to come back down to the bottom of this channel. If we can't get a one-to-one here, bottom of the channel. Failing to really break out at all. Don't want the outside bar reversal. I'll take a double entry here though. Don't really want the outside bar reversal though. Let's trade. Yikes. Boy, oh boy, this is painful. I'm gonna get rocked here. We'll lose both. Yikes. What can you do about that? I mean, you want that one-to-one at least. It's failing to really push up here. Complete limit order market trading on the 5-minute chart. Should just sold at the close of the bar. What can you do? That's how the cookie crumbles. One more try here. Wow, I'm gonna bust these accounts, pandas. I'm almost dead here. Accounts are gonna be blown today. Oh, I did not want that to happen, but that's what's happening. Look at the 5-minute, pandas. I mean, what can you do? It gets super strong bull bar, gets sold right at the close. I should have expected it. We got 3 overlapping bars in a row. I should just sell here instead of trying to fill the gap. Should have sold. Jeez Louise. I'm gonna bust these accounts. It's all good. We bust accounts. Got plenty more. I'm gonna take a fail second entry long here. What can I do? We're coming back to the bottom of the trading range. This is how the trading range looks like now, in my opinion, or the channel, really. Second entry long here. Strong bear bar ending on its low on the 2500 tick. Okay. A little room to the bottom of the channel here. I mean, if this blasts off, then what can you do? There's nothing I can do about this. I think we're coming back to the bottom of the channel here. Market is being absolutely demonic right now. Okay, we're in. Go for a new low here. Go for a new low. Right, lower highs, lower lows. That's what we're looking for.
Target filled.
All right. We got a little bamboo back. Got a little more wiggle room, pandas. Well, are you in a rush? I'm on speed running, trying to bust these accounts. Speed running, busting these accounts right now. I mean, I just tried a couple attempts, right? 1, 2, 3 attempts to reverse this back up. I tried to buy down here, couldn't quite get there. We're at the bottom of this channel again. I mean, we could be breaking down here now. If we do, then it is what it is. Follow through. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Yeah. Down 1890. I mean, pandas. We finally got a nice one. I don't know. Is this channel still viable? Or are we breaking down? We've been in this channel for a while. We're at the bottom of it now. Are we coming all the way back up? Good question, not sure. But we got a nice trade here, which I'm happy about. Maybe a higher low might be a good trade. Okay. Pushing down. We're beneath the 20 EMA, so this could be a downtrend or bouncing off of the bottom of the channel. Higher low here. I mean, you gotta take the fail second entry short if we get one. You gotta try to fail second entry short if we get one. It's actually crazy. I'm gonna pause here though. Second entry short. Coming back to the top of the channel here. Price action is absolutely diabolical. Bottom of the channel back to the top of the channel. I was thinking about buying down here, but jeez. I mean, look at the 5-minute chart. It's just strong bear bar ending on its low. Look at this. How much more overlap can you be? This is the definition of overlap. What in the world's happening? Okay. 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 Hmm. Are we in a downtrend now? I could try. The risk is huge. Which is why I don't like trading on the 2500 tick. like this. Okay, I'll take the whole risk. I'll take the appropriate risk. Silly trade at the end. I'll take the full risk here. Maybe I should reverse it. Let's take the hit. I'll take the hit. And maybe I should reverse it here. Actually reverse it here. What in the world? Bouncing off the bottom channel again. Oof. Hitting the top. I mean, pandas. I mean, might as well, right? What do I have to lose today? Might as well. Jeez. I don't know, pandas. What do I do here? You know, rarely do you see the market be so contained in a channel like this. It's like a textbook example. We got some wiggle room. We got some wiggle room. Let's go for it, pandas. I just know my next one's going to be a big one. The fact that we missed the top of this channel makes me worried. As in, like, it could break down here. Price action is absolutely diabolical here right now. So I'll try to ask, have I used any other prop firms? Not really. I still get paid out at Apex, so the only reason why I would really consider maybe using another prop firm right now is if I wanted to do more than 20 contracts or more than 20 accounts. If I wanted to do like 50 accounts, basically open max accounts on every single prop firm I know, copy all my trades throughout all of them. Yeah. 20 is plenty. Got 5 overlapping bars in a row. Price action has been pretty horrid since open. It doesn't make sense, but pandas, I'm going to try this. It doesn't make sense, but pandas, I'm going to try this right now. I can't, not like this. I can't. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Strong bear bars. Ending near its low. What do we have here now? Yuck. No idea what's happening. This is absolutely insane right now. Inside bar breaking to the downside on the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, inside bar OI pattern, breaking to the downside. Maybe coming back to the bottom of the trading range, marked by the trading range indicator. Oh, big push down. No entries for me though. No entries for me. I wanted that second entry short here, or that fail second entry long, really. Pikachu trade. That's what I wanted, but never got it. 5-minute coming to bottom of the channel here, or bottom of the trading range. Yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. What do I do here, pandas? I have no clue. Should I just buy? Buy? We're at the bottom of the channel? Just buy? Man, oh man, this is tough, right? Overshoot to undershoot. Doesn't quite get to the top. Doesn't make sense to go short here. Doesn't make sense to go short here. Not really. Not really. Or really. Really does make sense to go short here. I don't know. Tough trade right at the bottom of the channel. I just would feel silly going short here right into the bottom and then it reverses back up. It's been doing that all day today. Higher low being formed here. Could create a second entry short. I guess I'll take a fail second entry short here. I don't know, pandas. You tell me. A second entry short here. Possibly looking for a new low. Huh. Shall we dance, pandas? Shall we dance? Or has it decided to break down? Might decide to break down now. Probably a big push down now, right? Matching this measure move here. Some sort of measure move. Hard for me to go short there, just because, again, we've just been in this channel for so long. I just don't know when it's going to break down. Timing of this is very difficult, especially of how many times it's been hit. You're thinking about bounce off and reverse. Second short does make a new low here, I think. Lower high. Hitting the bottom of the trading range on the 5-minute chart. Very close to it. I honestly don't know what to make of this, pandas. I could try something very cheeky here. Wow. Seems like it's trying to do something like this. Big push down. Looking for that measure move. What a push down. I was not expecting this breakdown here after all of these overlapping bars. I thought we were going to stay in that trading range for a very long time. Guess not. It's really pushing down now. Always in short, pretty much. Measure move made. This measure move made here, even further down. Big Mama might trigger here. Don't want Big Mama? Sure, why not? Bouncing pretty strong up here. What in the world? I'm looking for a second to short. Give me an undershoot leading to an overshoot. I'm looking for a second to short, I don't know. Terrible looking signal bar. What a bounce. Just like, what a huge bounce right now. Just like, what a ridiculous bounce. Just what a silly bounce that was. Right before hitting the previous day's low. Look at the 5-minute chart, pandas. It just got repelled by the previous day's low, creating a double bottom of some sort. It's actually gross. Undershoot leading to an overshoot, quite possibly reversal. Let's see if the trap triggers. I'll take it. Close enough, right? Close enough to bounce off the support area. Looking sus now. It's a bad signal bar to go for the reversal here. We're in this trade. Looking for something big here if we can get it. Kind of a low probability trade here. Like how we found the reversal point. I mean, have we, pandas? Is this the big mama? Is this the big one here? See how much we can get from here. Go for the 2 to 1 and then run it. 2 to 1 here. Here's a 2 to 1. You think you're gonna hit the 2 to 1.
Target filled.
2 to 1 hit. I'll take the 2 to 1. Let's see if we can reverse this all the way back up to close the gap. This is a gap fill here. Why not, pandas? Why not us? Why not us, pandas? Right, the 5 minute still has a gap to fill. Oh, whoops. I was so confused. The 5 minute chart has a gap to fill. We didn't quite fill it. We almost filled it by tick. Missed it by tick. Looking for a second entry long if we can get one. If this comes, takes me out, it is what it is. What can you do? You gotta shoot for the stars, pandas. Shoot for the stars. Looking for a second entry long if we can get one. Okay, we don't quite trigger the second entry long yet. Okay, might get the second entry long here. Okay, what is that? That looks crazy. That actually looks kind of crazy. Alright, that makes more sense. Makes a lot more sense. Bad signal bar. Holding. Skipping it. Really bad signal bar here. Overshoot leads to an undershoot. Hopefully we can last. We can survive this pullback. Hopefully we can survive this pullback. It's a bit sus here. Reversing. Or second entry long, but it looks bad. It's not a good looking second entry long. What's the difference between this and this? Not much. We'll just hold through it. We'll hold through the trap if it triggers. Having a hard time breaking above the 20 EMA now. Okay, trap does trigger. Looks like I'm gonna get stopped out here. Unfortunately, my runner didn't go anywhere. It's all good. We got the 1 to 2, which I'm very happy about. The 1 to 2 is very good. The 1 to 2 is very good. Trap looks like it might fail here. I don't know. It's reversing. We got some wiggle room now. Another push down here, maybe. Right, overshoot leading to the undershoot. Okay, H4 setup. It does tick shot me, which is unfortunate. Hard to say what's gonna happen here, though. Pandas, I'm confused. I thought we found the big one. I thought we found the one, the trade. I thought we did. We did not. So I got you short here. There's too many overlapping bars to really make a decision, in my opinion. I guess you can make a case to go short here. Completely overlapping bars. Trapping, that's like a short trapping. Now it's like 7 overlapping bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 overlapping bars in a row. It's disgusting. Oof. I don't know, Pandas. What are we doing here, Pandas? What's happening? Let's get to the 100 like goal, Pandas, for $100 giveaway. Can we do it? Is this what the rest of the day is gonna look like, Pandas? Just 8 overlapping bars in a row. Am I missing opportunity here? Should I just go short right here? Am I absolutely missing opportunity just by I should just be going short right here? Continuing this absolute chop. It does tick shot me, which is super unfortunate. Right, tick shots me and then blasts off again. I mean, I guess it just confirms I entered at a good price. Because that's where traders are waiting for it to come back in. You know what I mean, Pandas? It usually happens. The runner gets stopped out like this. It happens often. It's actually a sign for me that it was actually a good trade. I just don't know what the difference is, right? Like when it does trigger, when it does take out my stop loss and reverses. Like it's hard to know when it's gonna happen, but if it does happen, right? It's all hindsight bias, but at least you know you're in a good trade. You were in a good trade here. Also, maybe confirming an uptrend as well. Probably looking for a new high. But the question is, Pandas, what is our setup here? What is our setup here? Okay. 2500 tick chart is making a lower high here. Second inch short. inside bar on the 5-minute chart. I could try. I could try. I don't love it. I don't love it, but I could try here. This is triggering a second entry short plus a 5-minute inside bar breakdown. Oh, and if we get a trap here, oh, even more reason. Now I kind of love it. Now I kind of love it. Let's come back down though. Or are we just doing this all day, every day? Okay. Second entry long might actually work out here. Don't know. This was tough. This was tough. Okay. Very interesting, pandas. It's actually very interesting what's happening. Alright, we're in this trade. I don't like it because the risk is huge, but looking to trigger Big Mama here. Looking for a new low. See if we get it, Panis. Must be a lower high here. Okay. Getting very confusing now. Darn. Looks like I'm gonna lose this one. I kinda wanna hold it though. Basically, if it breaks this level, it's like this trade is over. It's starting to look like it's reversing here. Darn. It is what it is. I try to play the second entry short and the inside bar on the 5-minute chart, some confluence, thinking that will cause this market to really push down. But getting some pretty deep pullbacks here. Still a chance, I guess. Still a chance. Or that. Jeez. Alright. Reversing here. Yeah, this might be uptrend now. No bueno, no bueno. No bueno. It's a darn shame. I don't think I can raise my stop loss. Yeah, I don't know if I can raise my stop loss here. I just take it as a failed setup. Failed inside bar setup. This is actually reversing. Maybe fail second entry short here. Maybe. Okay, pushing down. I mean, the 2500 tick chart looks very bearish. Trap triggers here. This could be the end of this trade for sure. Break a trend new low. Reversal here. Could be a strong push up. All good. I tried. Big pain here. Take me out here. It's not over till it's over, huh? Really not. I simply try to trade the breakout, the inside bar breakout setup on the 5-minute chart with the second entry short on the 2500 tick. I just try to trade both those setups at the same time, which I thought would be a good push down, but it's proving to be very, very tough here to really do anything. Now this looks kind of bullish here. It's going in and out of 20 MA, but staying above the 20 MA now. Tough. Pandas, how y'all doing? Do pandas roar or growl? I think they just kind of like, I think they like squeak or something. Another inside bar created on the 5-minute chart here. It's not a good sign for me. Makes it more 50-50 if anything. Right, the 5-minute chart. Basically, it was an inside bar OI pattern, and I traded to the downside. Now we have another inside bar. Let's see which side this breaks this time. Probably to the upside. Going to get absolutely destroyed here. That's malicious. That's straight up just hostile. The market is just making a point today that it can just do whatever it wants. Ouch. Alright, we're dead. Threshold's basically gone. Thresholds are basically gone. Yuck. What in the world, pandas? How do we trade this? It's absolutely disgusting. I had to try, right? 2500 tick chart. Second entry short, triggering. Also, the 5-minute inside bar to the breakdown to the downside. Also triggering at the same time. It's all good. Market's absolutely. I mean, look at the 5-minute chart patterns. This shows you how difficult today is. All this overlap, all of these wicks. If anything, like, shouldn't really even trade today. To be honest, it's just ridiculous. Just what ridiculous price action. Even the day before, I mean, what ridiculous price action. It's just been terrible price action the last couple days. Like, look at all of this chop here. Like, it's so hard to trade. So difficult to trade. It's really blasting off now. All right, after that setup failed, basically, it just reversed. A lot of traders were in the same trade, I believe. And once it reversed, all the traders started to reverse their positions or get out, close their positions. So causing this breakout right now. I think a lot of people were in that same trade that I was in. Now we have to wait like 40 minutes for another setup. Some sort. Something that we like. Second to short maybe on the 5-minute chart forming. What a big push down though. What a really big push down. It's a dumb trade. It's such a dumb trade. It's actually the dumbest trade ever. No, I can't take it. I simply cannot. What in the world? What in the world is that? What actually is that? Super strong push down, super strong push back up. What in the actual world is this? Pandas! It's a bear trap. I think it's a bear trap. I should just sell here. I should just sell here. Then come back down to the bottom of this. Push down. Limit order trading again. Wow, man. I mean, this is torture. There's actual torture here. This is like a version of hell. All you do is sit, waiting for a trade. You wait for hours and hours, nothing happens. And then when it does happen, it doesn't work. That's like definition of hell. Imagine hell being that times like a million. What is going on here, pandas? There's just no way. No way this is going all the way back down. Oh my goodness gracious. There's no way it's going all the way back down, is it? I mean, should I just buy at the bottom of this? Just buy at the bottom? It is coming all the way back to the bottom. My gosh. Pandas. What kind of market are we in right now? Should I just buy here? It's inside bar. Nope. I'm putting it all on the table right now, pandas. in this trade. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable price action today. It's actually unbelievable. It is what it is. Just know the market can do whatever it wants. Truly. It can do whatever it wants. If this wants to fly all the way back up to the top of this, sure, why not? That's the kind of market we're in. Just complete limit order trading here. Darn it. We bust all the accounts? No. All the accounts. We're about to though, pandas. We're about to bust these accounts. It's all good. We'll start anew tomorrow. We'll start anew tomorrow. Yuck. Look at the 2500 tick chart. If you saw this and I asked you, what do you think the next bar is going to be? Could you imagine the next bar being super strong bull bar ending on its high? Boop. Limit order trading. That is the magic of limit order trading. You're thinking, you know, when you see this bar, at least if you're a reasonable human being, that we're going to come back down to the bottom of this big bear bar ending near its low. And instead, it literally creates no tail, just reverses back up. It's just showing how difficult it is. Like, I saw that strong bear bar ending on its low, and I said, I'm going to hold this trade and see what can be made of it. Because I saw that strong bear bar ending on its low. And absolutely no fault there, V bottoms. Failed breakout of this channel, I guess. Whew. Talk about difficult, man. Let's talk about difficult. Today is a day that just completely crushed us. Man, how do you do this? How do you trade this, pandas? The answer is you don't trade it. That's the true answer. I think new rule, pandas. If I don't like the price action of the day, I'm just not going to take a trade. New rule, pandas. Absolutely new rule here. No clue, Pandas. Second inch long. But what about the content? I know. Content. I'm gonna have to think of something else for the content. Jeez. New rule though, Pandas. If I don't like the price action, I'm just gonna sit on my paws all day. I don't even care if you guys are suffering. You guys are just gonna suffer with me. That's just the plan. That's what it's gonna be. Look at this price action, Pandas. Like, what are you supposed to do? Should I be buying here? Just buy here. Come back up. I don't know. One final trade to rule them all. One final trade to rule them all, Pandas. One final trade to rule them all. Here it is, Pandas. Get ready. We're gonna keep scaling in. Jeez. final trade, pandas. The trade that will rule them all. Oh, you know it, pandas. You know exactly what I'm going to do here. Get the 20s. I'll place it here. All right, we're good. You already know what I'm going to do here, pandas. Get ready for the shocker. Uh, um, that's not supposed to happen. That is definitely not supposed to happen. Uh, 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 oh no! That is definitely not supposed to happen. We're supposed to make a new low here, pandas. We're supposed to make a new low. Oh, we're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're absolutely demolished. All right, pandas. That's it. Tomorrow we'll start with fresh accounts, pandas. This is this day, pandas. Like, what are you supposed to do on days like this? It is what it is. Pandas. Shake it off. All right, pandas. Tomorrow's a new day. I'll see you guys right around tomorrow. Hope you guys are doing way better than me, and I hope you guys trade safe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, happy trading up us. Bye.